Many thanks for joining me again on the newsroom. I am Jerusha Amariwo. Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu has charged members of the Lagos State Judiciary to remain an example of equity, fairness, and do work with integrity at the highest level. Speaking during the swearing-in of Olubukola Aigborio and Raman Oshodi as High Court judges in Lagos State, Sanwo-Olu said the judges earned their nominations and appointments to the High Court of the state based on their sterling credentials with experience in their respective areas of engagement. The governor also reassured members of the judiciary that his government will continue to accord them with necessary support required to discharge their duties diligently to the people of the state. Now, Minister of State for Agriculture and Rural Development, Mustafa Shehuri, has said that 27,000 unemployed youths and women will benefit from the extended Special Public Works Program. Shehuri said the ESPWs are of the National Directorate of Employment across the 27 local government areas of Borno. He said the initiative is aimed at cushioning the economic effects of COVID-19 pandemic, creating jobs and promoting the maintenance of critical infrastructure at the community level and in all the 774 local government areas in the country. The Delta State government has expressed its readiness to ensure the effective community policing of the state with a public presentation of a 378-member special constabulary. Making the presentation at the Community Policing Sensitization Awareness Campaign in Asaba, the State Governor Ifeanyi Okowa said the new approach to community policing was prompted by the unacceptable increase in crime rate in the country. He therefore charged the special constabularies to see their engagement as a clarion call to undertake the wondrous task of helping to secure their respective communities. And in COVID, Nigeria plans to vaccinate as much as 40,000 of its population of 200 million against the coronavirus pandemic in 2021. Chief Executive Officer of Nigeria's National Primary Health Care Development Agency, Faisal Shuaib, on the televised international program, told reporters that the country expects to get 100,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine at the end of January through the COVAX initiative. Shuaib said the country has also secured the services of private sector players with ultra-cold storage facilities to help house and distribute the vaccines. Africa's largest economy plans to have at least 70% of the population vaccinated by the end of 2022. The federal government has charged stakeholders in the oil and gas industry to find and agree on cheaper means of producing crude, which also ensuring more competitive environment. Vice President Yemi Osinbajo at a virtual meeting on the Petroleum Industry Bill (PIB) with major players in the industry also expressed that there was a need for stakeholders to maximize the opportunities in the industry. On behalf of the harmonizing interests of the PIB, the Vice President observed that the passage of the proposed law should be seen as an opportunity to transform the industry by addressing lingering issues and having pending development across the different segments and make up the sector. The new PIB, which was presented to the National Assembly by the President in September last year, has already passed second reading in both chambers of the National Assembly. In international, Taiwan says international participation has been discussed with the UN envoy. Taiwan's presidential office disclosed this on Thursday. According to the office, President Tsai Ing-wen and the U.S. ambassador to the United Nations, Kelly Craft, during a call, had discussed Taiwan's international participation and deepening the Taiwan-U.S. ties. In the world of sports, the Nigeria Football Federation says players and officials of the Golden Eaglets are well motivated to beat Burkina Faso in Friday's semi-final of the WAFU Under-17 Cup tournament in Togo. NFL President Amaju Pinnick said the federation had given the team all its need to overcome the Burkina Babes, adding that the players and their handlers know what is at stake. Nigeria is to take on Burkina Faso, another youth football powerhouse, in the semi-finals tomorrow at Togo's main stadium, Stade Kegou. And that's all we have on our package. Thank you for staying with us. I am Jerusha Amarigo.